Hello friends, if you want to learn engulfing theory, scalping strategy and swing trading strategy, watch this video completely. This is a scalping setup and this is a swing trading setup in engulfing theory. Watch this video complete. Look at that. This is a scalping setup of engulfing theory. This is a swing trading setup of engulfing theory. Look at that. If anyone wants to learn engulfing theory, join my WhatsApp group through description link or contact on this WhatsApp number. Contact on this WhatsApp number if anybody wants to learn engulfing theory. This is a M15 scalping setup. Join my WhatsApp group through description link.